Hey yo, another day up in these labels of rap, and you're a battle MC who swears that your style is flagrantly fat. Can't wait to hit the studio, disable a track so everyone can hear your shit on they turntables and that. You put your single out, so now you laying it back. Cause everybody's screaming, yo son, your name on the map. And everybody's acting crazy, in fact. Hoes be sweating your gear and asking shit like, what fragrance is that? But that's the life you live. Great sex with your admirers, cause your album's in the deck of everybody's hour. But prior to all the props and the street buzz, nobody in your neighborhood could give a fuck who you was. Because they don't love you, they love what you stand for. The car you drive and the loot you got your hands on, that shit could end in a minute, any minute. And then your driveway won't have all them Bentleys in it, and wine glass won't have all that Remy in it. No video shoots with Hyper P, Diddy in it. So don't get caught up in the fame and applause and brainless awards. Man, shit ain't gon' want you no more. Cause yo, rappers always be bragging and boasting, but then they fall off like Billy Ocean. They play the fall guy for they claim to fame. It's just the same old shit, only the names have changed. Cause check it out now, rappers always be bragging and boasting, but then they fall off like Billy Ocean. Yes sir, welcome to the La Maraca Lounge. I'm here to park your car. Yeah! Hey yo, it's game time. Time to stop these niggas lame with the rhymes. They rhymes be full of one lines, and one line proves to be too many, and too many proves to be plenty for me to disregard. Bout out of giving cats fake head bobs and nods. Listen to they squads, boys frontin' to be hard in hoodies. No respect like bullies in the park, shedding tears when it's after 3. After me, anything left is tragedy. Wipe out your team cause I stay past 3 on the Richter. Only ace patients stay sicker. You must be drunk off the liquor, cause Putin's a chaser, and I hate that my pain is major. Give a fuck about y'all cause your label's major in your image. Now they got you lustin' the dough. We gonna see where your love's when you face the flow. And somebody's full pound tuck ready to blow, and you surrounded by faces that you don't really know. Got your life flashing fast and you wish it was slow. That's why I love the beats and I lust the flow. So now you know, rappers always be bragging and boasting, but then they fall off like Billy Ocean. They play the fall guy for they claim to fame. It's just the same old shit, only the names have changed. Check it out now, rappers always be bragging and boasting, but then they fall off like Billy Ocean. Bragging and boasting, boasting and bragging.
Cashing your check, cause it's the last one you get. Cashing your check, cause it's the last one you get. Cashing your check, cause it's the last one you get. Cashing your check, cause it's the last one you get. The tables have turned and now you're waiting in the back.
Ladies and gentlemen, now coming to the stage, the main event, doing some of Billy Ocean's greatest hits, Percy's Miracles in the Blue Vibration. Rappers always be bragging and boasting, but then they fall off like Billy Ocean. They play the fall guy for they claim to fame. It's just the same old shit, only the names have changed. Check it out now, rappers always be bragging and boasting, but then they fall off like Billy Ocean.
Suddenly, life has a new profound meaning to
Get
me.
into my car, I say get into my car.
There's
Yo,
beauty
get
up
into
above
my car.
and things you should never take notice of. Look around suddenly, girl. You're in love. You in love. You in love, you in love, you in love.
Yeah, y'all. To all y'all rappers thinking y'all hot right now, when you fall off, you know what I'm saying, that's what you're gonna be doing. Gonna be in a lounge in Vegas somewhere, doing hits, you know what I'm saying, doing the old cover joints. So always be thankful for what you got, like that, y'all. It's like this, y'all. It's little brother sound providers don't quit, y'all. It's like that, y'all. It's like